draw her eyelashes first. I mean eyeliner, I guess. And then that's liner. And then now we're gonna using a little mascara for her. If you get like some of like volume lashes for her is cute. If not, then she can get like the cute little lashes. But I get her a decent size though. Now we are going to flash cure. 30 seconds. Maybe we should do a gels painting. Can you get me a gel painting?
Sure.
The gold gel painting. All right, no.
On the jar you want.
The jars. You find it? You know what? I got it. I'm not using a little. This on this nails, I will dress the unicorn up with all crystals. So we want to keep her lashes a little bit. Well, simple, I guess. Or you can put crystals on for her, definitely. But hey, get me the paper. Can you?
Go.
And flash cure. All right, so cure again. Flash cure 30 seconds. Hey, Tyra, how are you? Tyra on Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in, Tyra. All right, so here is one of my fave. Gel painting in the pot. It's so pigmented. The color is just amazing. I don't know how long that take you to go to that pot because they're so... The color is everything. It's a little bit and it's already showed the color so well. All right, so we don't put her crystal on yet. Just in case you decide to put the crystals on her lashes, you absolutely can. So I'm gonna go in using completely cover the holes and nails with condensed glue gels. I have so much in that little shields right there. And all her nails, all her face, because we're gonna crystal her face gorgeous up, her crows. And then close the gels. Tatiana, hello, how are you? And then we are going to using a no wipe top coat. Right there. I'm gonna use this one. And floating on the top of the nails. So I might getting a super cute, like, you can have, oh, I want the biggest one. You can do a different colors. You don't have to do is exact the same. This is fun about unicorn. You can dress her. You can put her crowns different colors, I guess. And put hers yellow. And you can dress her up. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I want. And then you can do any other colors around with that. And do a pink, ruby, rose. And then you have your Bahamas. So if you don't want to do with the 40, you can definitely have fun with the crystal placements for your unicorns. Do however you like. I might doing ones. Can I get the pink right there? Blue. I might use one opal. And then I will add some more Bahamas.
You care?
Yeah, if you're happy with this, you could definitely go here. You can add beads on if you want to get more.
No,
Think
you're
I'm-
not done now. Keep going.
I don't know if I'm gonna be done though. I like it. She's so fancy though. You can add beads on. Can add beads on. I'm moving, and then she's gonna glow in the dark, everyone. So how everyone doing so far? Add some beads on. And you can add it on if you don't want to. Your unicorns, I bet it looks so gorgeous as well. If you want to add some beads on for her to make it look like she got some jewelries on her. The crowd is so fancy. So we are going to key it for 60 seconds.